On the Nissan today, my buddy Davey stopped by and helped me with the windshield. Because with these windshields nowadays, they're so long and they stick down underneath the hood. There's no way I can do these by myself. Have to get another set of hands. But today's going pretty good. Got my video of the cam lineups so I can remember how to put it together, because all of these lobes have different numbers on them and different lineups. And to get the cam chain back on, because that's what I'm doing right now, is the cam chain itself. And there's the cam. And I got my marks here lined up. So I know I got it up top. I got the marks that I marked there to tell me where the top is. That one's exhaust, that one's intake. And it's neat that they give you these marked chains. Just see the red mark there and the red mark here. Love it, love it, love it. That way you've got location that you can mark, and there's my mark for that location, and there's my mark for that location. And I've already got the tensioner on. And down here, what matters is the yellow is at the bottom. And the yellow is at the bottom. If I actually look this up in the book for the timing mark, that would be the timing mark, and it would go up there to that point. But I use those for location on a block. There's one right there, which lines up with the bottom plane of the block. And that's where it was when I took it off. And when I took it off, I made sure the pistons were all in the down position, so I wouldn't have valve piston clearance problem. But that's today.